There are luxury cars, and then there's the 2027 Maybach S680 V12, a masterpiece that doesn't just raise the bar. It is the bar. Welcome back to 91 Gearbox, where today we take you deep into the world of ultra-opulence. German precision and a V12 engine that refuses to compromise. If you thought Mercedes-Benz couldn't go higher, the Maybach division just proved everyone wrong. The first thing that hits you is its presence. With its imposing chrome grille, handcrafted paint finishes, and the signature Maybach monoblock wheels, this car doesn't shout, it whispers luxury with confidence. Every inch of the S680 is sculpted for elegance. The extended wheelbase is designed to give rear passengers first-class legroom, and those doors, electrically assisted of course. Step inside, and you're greeted by a cabin that feels more like a private jet than a car. The 2027 S680 is powered by a legendary 6.0-liter twin-turbocharged V12 engine, pushing out an effortless 621 horsepower and 1,000 newton-meters of torque. But this isn't about speed, though it'll glide from 0 to 60 in just 4.3 seconds. No, this is about effortless motion, about floating over roads like they don't exist. The 4-MAT all-wheel drive system, paired with an adaptive airmatic suspension, ensures you don't feel a single bump, even at high speeds. It's not just performance, it's performance wrapped in velvet. Inside, you're surrounded by Napa, leather, polished wood trim, and a level of tech that borders on science fiction. Rear passengers get reclining seats with massage, ventilation, and heating. The ambient lighting now adapts to your mood. And the MBUX infotainment system? It learns your preferences, responds to voice, gesture, and even emotion. There's even active noise cancellation, so the cabin remains a sanctuary even in the middle of traffic. But let's not forget the small details, the Maybach logos embroidered into the headrests, the bespoke fragrance system, and the champagne fridge nestled between the rear seats. This isn't just a car, it's an experience tailored for those who demand the absolute best. The 2027 Maybach S680 V12 isn't for everyone. It's for the elite few who want to arrive not just in style, but in total dominance. This is what automotive perfection looks like. Make sure you subscribe to 91 Gearbox for more ultra-luxury content like this, because cars like this deserve more than just admiration, they demand it.